Voya, you have already passed CAE. What do you think is the use of that certificate?
Well, primarily the main reason for me taking part in CAE preparations is the wide range of possibilities it offers for further education abroad. Once I finish faculty, my plan is to apply for master or PhD studies in UK or USA, for which this certificate is absolutely necessary.
And why did you choose Galindo for your preparations?
Well, when I decided to take Cambridge exams, I was trying to avoid the eminent stress and seriousness that follows such important courses. Then I heard from a friend about the relaxed atmosphere in Galindo, so I decided to take his advice and I never regret it.
Maria, you have a CAE certificate. How do you think you can use it in the future?
Well, I hope to study abroad, and Cambridge certificate is required for most of the respectable colleges. And at certain colleges here, students with CAE diploma aren't required to take mandatory English tests.
Why do you think Galindo is a good school for exam preparations?
Well, I expected boring lessons and doing tests all the time, but it wasn't monotonous at all. We had some exciting discussions that were serious or less serious, and we even played some games, so it was pretty fun.